Super excited. I just got this new electric wheelchair. I'm absolutely loving it. It's charging up right now, but I just want to talk about it when it's charging up. So a full charge takes 6 hours, but can last you over 35 miles. So that's over 1 week of use. So a really nice, long-lasting, powerful battery. Now that charger right there, let me turn. There's that charger. Nice powerful charger with a surge protector. Makes me feel really good. But I chose this one because it's nice and lightweight and portable. I wanted something that went down to a slim size and something that I could handle. It is only 39 pounds, making it easy to carry inside, outside, put in my vehicle. And I'm going to show you in a second, but it gets down to a really small size. But despite that nice convenient size, it has a nice large weight bearing capacity and can hold up to 286 pounds. So that makes me feel confident about the size of person that's going into it. In addition, it has a nice widened seat right here and has a nice 18-inch seat. Again, great for a variety of sizes of people. Really nice, breathable, skin-friendly fabric all the way around. Obviously, you can see that this footrest goes up and down, as do these armrests right here. You can put them up and down, which makes it easier for getting in and out of the seat. These wheels, super awesome. I already gave it a little spin outside, but they are great on all terrain, uphill, downhill, and they are anti-puncture as well. On the back right here, we have an anti-tip system going on, as well as locks. You lock it when it's just going to be the motorized mode, but then unlock it so you can push it and move it as need be. Now, in addition, you have some lights on the back, the red lights letting people know that you're there, but then option to turn on these headlights at night or whenever it's getting dim, or you just need everybody to know that you are there and that you can be seen. There's a light button right on top of here. It's easy to turn on, turn off, but that's great for enhanced visibility. When you're out and about, this is just great for mobility and being able to go and explore. Now, down right here is where the battery is. Again, a nice, powerful, long-lasting battery. Here is your joystick. It has a beautiful LED screen, easy to read, easy to look at, as well as a horn, as well as turn on those lights. Now, I have mine on mute right now, but it does have the option where it's unmuted and it can kind of guide you through what setting you are at. So really simple to collapse when you're ready to collapse. There's this lever right here. Get a closer look, lever right here. You go ahead and push it, pull together, and it's still charging, so I'm not going to carry it yet, but I'll show you in a second. Nice collapsible size, easy to collapse. And then when you're ready to put it back out, you simply just put it back out like this, and it is ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna let it finish charging. Super comfy seat. Here you can see the battery indicator light showing that it is all charged up. If you did want to have the volume on, you could have it on like that. Mute. Or mute it. Here you have a horn. Here is where you turn on those lights, and I'll show you that when it gets darker. But then here are your 5 different levels of speed that you're capable of going at. I'm indoors, so I'm just going to stick with level 1, but you can see that joystick, how easy it is to move back and forth, reverse. I am so impressed with how quiet it is as well. Just a smooth ride, nice and quiet, nice slim design, so I can even get through my house, go over ledges, love it. And of course, when not in use, you have your power button right here. You'll know it's fully charged when you see that green light right there, letting you know you're ready to rock and roll. One last thing I want to point out is this lovely adjustable seatbelt right here. Awesome. One thing I forgot to mention, that you can adjust this if you had longer arms, or completely take it out and even stick between here as you were traveling for safety, and then go ahead and tighten that. So you could adjust that if you had a longer arm, but check this out. Nice and lightweight. It easily fits in a trunk and you're able to take with you wherever you need to go. When you want to put this in or adjust the length of that, maybe you have a longer arm, you can just simply go ahead and do that. Look at, I like that this can carry a lot of weight. I can even take my little one with me as we go for a spin. And you can see right now we have some gravel, we have some dirt. At top speed, you can go 4 miles an hour. So you're really cruising. Again, here's that horn. And then if I want to turn on those lights right there, check that out. Now I have lights. And that's really cool. Gives me some added comfort. In addition, I have it on mute, but I just wanted to show you not on mute. You can hear the different signals where it's letting you know what's going on. So you can choose what you like. Really smooth. I like that nice, convenient, portable size. Really easy maneuvering.
Look out, reversing. Look out, reversing.
So you can hear it and look out, reversing.
Look out, reversing.
So then check this out. I can be cruising along, I can be driving, and then I can plug in my phone or device and it can be charging at the same time. It's really smooth, I like it. And I love that it's virtually silent. You can't even hear it working at all. And one more thing I want to note, when you want it to stop, you just release that joystick right there and it will stop. I'm super happy I found this. I'm super happy I found this. Is exactly what I was looking for. If you're looking for an electric wheelchair, definitely check this one out.